watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now for the official national weather.
Alright.
Southeastern Perry County in southeastern Mississippi, Southern Greene County in southeastern Mississippi, Northeastern Stone County in southeastern Mississippi, until 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:07 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles south of McLean, or 14 miles east of Wiglands, moving east at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Citronelle, Lucedale, Chachula, Gulf Coast, Semmes, Tanner Williams, and Wilmer. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama and southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi, George and Stone. Tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include downtown Mobile, Richard, Salmon, Chickasaw, Satsuma, Citronelle, Lucedale, Creole, Chattanooga, Gulf Coast, Texas, Mount Vernon, Semmes, Tanner Williams, I-65 and I-165, Wilmer, I-65 and Alabama 158 in Movico. Tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama and southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: George, Mississippi. Issued a tornado warning for Central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, southeastern George County in southeastern Mississippi until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 7 miles west of Wilmer, or 10 miles southeast of Lucedale, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Wilmer around 10:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Semmes around 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. I-65 and Alabama 158 and I-65 and I-165 around 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Richard, Salmon, and Chickasaw around at 10:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: George, Mississippi.